Master Cleaner Plus is a multi-purpose cleaner concentrate, versatile for a wide range of cleaning applications for use either by machine or hand. Master Cleaner Plus is an excellent degreaser which efficiently breaks down stubborn grease and oil deposits very fast. Master Cleaner Plus is suitable for use on all hard surface areas including door shuts, door apertures, kick plates, head linings, fabric seats, carpets, cabriolet roofs, fascias, door trims, engines, wheels, underbonnet areas, planting equipment, even workshop floors. Master Cleaner Plus is the multi-purpose, problem-solving solution no professional detailer can afford to be without.